Hi friends, let me show you this new Bitvae electric toothbrush that I received for reviewing purposes. It's an electric toothbrush perfect for travel. It's really nice. It comes with 8 heads, so you could organize yourself to use it up to 2 years if you change them every 3 months. Let me show you. You get your user manual, the 8 heads, this toothbrush holder that you can put anywhere you want with this double-sided tape, and it comes with this travel pack. Okay, it will protect it from any dust, any water, anything. You can bring them with you really easily. Okay, it is a rechargeable unit, so you get the USB-A cable to charge it really easy, just like that, and you put the heads, also really easy. It comes with that's it. It comes with 5 preset modes. It's a white mode, clean mode, soft mode, polish mode, and gum care mode. Okay, it will work for 2 minutes, and it will give you a different pulse every 30 seconds. So you know you have to change your mouth place where you are cleaning it. Okay, so you charge it, you get up to 60 days of charge with 1 charge of battery, 60 days of battery with 1 charge. So I think it's a great companion for your travel needs, and if you have it at home, you can put it anywhere with this nice holder, just like that. Okay, so if you need a new toothbrush, an electric one, good for traveling, this is a great option. 5 presets, 2 minutes of cleaning preset time. Thank you.